Welcome back, Lala Land. I'm Lala, and today we are going to go meet one of my friends, Esther. She's throwing an event with one of her friends. It's an influencer event. I'm going to put up the flyer right here. But this is what we are going to be attending today. So let me get changed. I just did my hair and makeup, and we will head that way.
On the way there, I saw some pretty random stuff, but yeah, the armored vehicle was not in my daily schedule, so I figured I'd show you that. Stay safe, friends. I did get changed, and we just made it to Bubba's. Let me flip around the camera so you can see. We are here at Bubba's, and we're gonna get ourselves inside and see what they have set up for us. So let's go.
So we're also going to do some trivia. Me and Esther are going to host that. This was her idea, so I think it should be fun. So we'll start that a little bit later, and we have some giveaways as well. Also, if you guys did not see, we have some goodie bags with goodie glasses. So you guys are more than welcome to grab yours. Your name should be in it. There's a t-shirt, gift card in there for you. But yeah, you guys have fun. Take advantage of our photo booth over there. Thank you, Magic Mirror. We appreciate you guys coming out and doing this for us. But yeah, let's have some fun, guys. Enjoy.
What was your favorite?
The lasagna.
Lasagna?
But everything else.
What was your favorite?
Like the shrimp.
The shrimp?
The status and mustache was phenomenal. It was hard to eat. Hard to eat.
I honestly don't even know if you can hear them, which sucks, but it's loud. We're gonna eat and do happy dance fight. Say hi to Paul. And Esther. Look at that waist though. That's what sells it, is the waistline. Okay, I went back for more food and I don't think you'll blame me. They also have these little drinks. I got the pink one. Where did you get that from? The bar. But I don't know what it is. That tastes like Sprite and That tastes like Sprite and strawberry. I don't know what it was. The pink one? done with the event here at Bubba's. It was so delicious. I ate so much different food. I'm hoping to list like what the foods were that I was trying while I was eating them in the description. If I don't, I'm so sorry. I would say this event was a success. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to show you guys. Look at what I won. We played trivia and I won a free dinner for two. So if you want to be my date to Bubba's, or you know, you want a free appetizer, just hit me up and we'll see you next time. Bye.